Hi, welcome to ProefschriftMaken. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can do an important check on your PDF file. The first page in a book usually contains the book title as well as the name of the author. This page is called the half title, which is the case with this ebook. The left page is technically the inside of the cover. You can add this setting in the program from which you are exporting your thesis from. To check if these settings are exported properly, open the file with Adobe Acrobat. This program is used for professional use of PDF files, regardless which program you use to work on your thesis. So let's get started. Open your PDF with Adobe Acrobat. Your file is probably displayed in the one-page view. But of course, this is not what a printed book looks like. We are going to change this view. Go to View and click Page Display. Then select Two-Page View. Again go to View, click on Page Display and select Show Cover Page in Two-Page View. As you can see in this example, the first page is separated from the others. This is correct. Now we have to check a couple of other things in your file, starting with the page numbers. In a printed book, the page numbers are located on the outside of the page, so they don't disappear in the book's fold. So it's simple. On the left page, the page number should be located on the left side, and on the right page, the page number should be located on the right. Check if this is the case in your file. The last thing to check is the chapter page. Chapters always start on the right page, just as in the case with this file. There you have it. You have made some important steps in checking your files.